Meaning of long-lasting.
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 Long-lasting. Long-lasting means something that lasts for a significant amount of time without deteriorating in quality or losing its effectiveness. It denotes durability and endurance over an extended period. For example, a long-lasting battery is one that can power a device for an extended duration without requiring frequent recharging or replacement. A long-lasting relationship denotes a bond between two people that remains strong and enduring over time. Overall, long-lasting describes something that endures for a considerable time without experiencing significant degradation or diminished effectiveness.